Alright, want to create a sales flyer design. Let's say you want to sell something on Instagram, on Facebook. So you open Canva app, you type sales, just type sales, search for the content of the flyer you want to design, and you will have so many templates on sales. This is why I love Canva. It just comes true for you anytime. So these are a lot of beautiful templates you can use to make your sales. You can use to sell something. So you just choose one. Okay, they are all very beautiful. I don't even know the one to settle for. Okay, you just look for one that suits what you're selling. Let's say I choose this. Okay, alright, so I will want to replace this with a bag I want to sell. So the picture of the bag should be ready, and this is it. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so I have my flash sale. Then I can choose to add something else. So the fonts used in this design, they are very large, and I do not want to use a large font. So what I would do is just to tap on the plus sign. Okay, then I have options below. I have elements, gallery, uploads, text, photos. I'll tap on text, and then I will choose add a subheading. Okay, so I'll tap on edit and I'll type, okay, let's say 40% discount. 40% discount. Okay, so I can put it here. % discount. I could even delete this element. 40% discount. Click the link below. So I can reduce the size. And that is it. Now if I can still work on this text with the numerous options, so I can choose to bold it, I can choose to put it in italics. It all depends on what I want. So when I'm done, I could choose to change the background color. So I will look for a light orange color or something lighter than that. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, this is much more beautiful. So you just make the changes to suit what you want. Right, so this is it. Then this is not looking nice too. I could change it. Okay, so here we have a design for a bag we want to sell on Facebook, on Instagram. You get it? So this is it, your Instagram sales or Facebook sales flyer design. Then you can choose to animate it. Now one thing about animation is you have to increase the timing so that when you post it, it's not going to go off so quickly. Your viewers will have time to watch it and read the content on your design. So this particular design is animated, and because it's animated, it has become a video or a GIF, so we can't download it as a picture So when you go to your upload options, you tap on download. Now you see that it is going to download as a video. But if you do not want to download it as a video, all you need is just to tap on the drop down arrow and then choose from any of these options. But because we have animated it, we want you to download as a video, we will go ahead to download it as a video, and that is how to do that.